So if you've been trying to get 360 waves and wondering why they're still not coming in yet, this video is going to save you a lot of frustration. Because today, I'm going to be breaking down the real timeline of how long it actually takes to get 360 waves. No hype, no exaggeration, no fake before and afters. I'm going to be showing you exactly what should be happening at every stage so you know if you're on track or if there's something that you need to fix. Most people don't quit waves because they can't get them. They quit because they expect results way too fast and think that's supposed to be them in 2 weeks. And when that doesn't happen, they assume that they're doing something wrong. But the truth is, waves take time. And when you understand the process, it becomes way easier to lock in. So let's break this down step by step so you know exactly where you should be in your journey. The first 2 weeks is what I call the training phase. This is where your hair is not even supposed to have waves yet. Your hair is learning direction, laydown, and pattern memory. What you might notice is slight ripples, hair starting to lay down, some areas waving up faster than others. And some people don't even see ripples yet. And that's normal too. This is the stage where beginners say, my wave's not coming in, my hair just looks flat, I think I'm doing something wrong. But in reality, your hair is learning a new pattern. It's like the gym. You don't go for 2 weeks and expect a six-pack. This is where discipline gets built. Around weeks 3 and 4, this is where most people start seeing ripples. Not waves, ripples. This is where certain sides start to show up. Your strong side shows up and your weak side starts testing your patience. You might see waves on top or in the front, but not in the crown. Or you might see waves on one side, but not the other. And that's normal. Your waves might disappear after your hair dries. They might vanish after a wash. That doesn't mean they're gone. That just means your pattern isn't locked in yet. This stage is all about building the foundation. Stage 3, weeks 5 through 8, the definition phase. This is where your waves actually start forming. You'll notice better laydown, more visible connections, the waves stay visible for longer, and your patterns becoming clearer. This is where brushing begins to feel like it's actually paying off. This is also where people start slipping. You get excited, start over brushing, start overusing products, start changing routine. You just straight wilding. But this is where consistency matters most. If you stay consistent here, your progress accelerates. This is the stage that separates people who get waves from people who have to restart forever. Stage 4, the progress phase. 2 to 3 months in, most beginners should have visible waves. Not elite, not perfect, but clearly there. This is when people start complimenting your waves. When you see that your crown is finally forming. And this is where people come back and subscribe. Because they be like, yeah, Jay was right. And this is where you build confidence. You realize this is real. You put in the work. Waving is a lifestyle. Stage 5, the development phase. 3 to 6 months, this is where your waves start looking clean. Better connections, better depth, better crown control, cleaner laydown. This is where most elite wavers are built. Not overnight, not in 30 days, but through patience. This is where brushing becomes a lifestyle. Now here's the truth that most people don't want to hear. Your timeline depends on your hair texture, your consistency, your brushing technique, your moisture routine, and whether or not you keep restarting. Comparing your week 3 to someone else's 6 months will only slow you down mentally. If your waves feel delayed, it's usually because of one of these: brushing dry hair, using too much product, inconsistent angles, overwashing, or restarting too often. Fixing habits speed up progress faster than just brushing harder. Waves don't come fast. They come from habits. If you're consistent for weeks, not days, your hair will respond. The process isn't slow. It's just honest. If this video helped you clear things up, subscribe. I drop real beginner wave content without all the fake stuff. Holla at me in the comments and let me know how long you've been waving.